Jaipur Watch Company is excited to present a watch from one of our most amazing collections, the Bag Collection. It's a testament to the art of watchmaking and the enduring legacy of our Indian heritage. Every watch dial is beautifully adorned with the original 1 rupee coin from 1947, featuring the bust of a walking tiger. This 1 rupee coin holds great significance as it was the last coin minted under British rule. It signifies the end of an era of slavery and the beginning of our journey towards independence. It symbolizes our resilience and determination to succeed and is a testament to our creativity and innovation. And the walking tiger on it closely resembles the Make in India logo. It's a reminder that we can create beautiful and meaningful things right here in our own country, and that we take pride in doing so. Let's not forget about the watches themselves. This watch runs on a Japanese Miyota 8215 automatic movement, making it stand out from other timepieces. A sapphire crystal is one of the hardest and most scratch resistant material, so you won't have to worry about your watch getting scratched or damaged easily. And a partial see-through back is a work of art. It allows you to see the intricate inner workings of the watch, giving you a deeper appreciation for the craftsmanship that went into making it. It's also water resistant up to 5 atm, making it the perfect accessory for any occasion. Each watch is serial numbered and available in 4 variants. You can confidently wear your Bag Collection watch, knowing it will withstand daily wear and tear. You can wear it to a formal event like a wedding or business meeting, and it will make a statement about your sense of style and appreciation for the finer things in life. Or you can wear it on a casual outing like a weekend brunch or a night out with friends. It's versatile enough to go out with any outfit and will elevate your look to the next level. So there you have it, the finest piece featured in the Bag Collection. A true masterpiece that combines timeless elegance with a rich history. Come and visit us at our showroom to experience the Bag Collection for yourself. Thank you for watching.